The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers expends significant resources physically, chemically, and toxicologically characterizing its harbors to support the sustainable dredging mission. However, maximum value is not realized because these data are not electronically available in a standardized database, and they certainly cannot be easily visualized for trends. Therefore, Dredging Operations Environmental Research Project 1911 developed the Dredging Evaluation, Visualization, Organization, and Integration Database, otherwise known as Devoid. Here, we show the installation of the Devoid tool. Devoid is coded in R-based software, which is freeware, and it's readily available on the ACIT portal for Army Corps employees. Upon launch, the code can be viewed and for experienced personnel altered to fit the need. But the tool can also be launched by selecting all code and pressing Shift Return. This engages the R-based Devoid tool, including drop-down menus to make selections. Also note that the tool can be run in a browser. The code communicates with an associated Excel file, and the tool is only as good as the completeness of the data in that file. These data should be immediately populated into the database as soon as a 103 or 404 dredging evaluation is complete. As you can see, various water and sediment chemistry data can be readily visualized across both project years and dredged material management units. In addition, data from elutriate toxicity, sediment toxicity, and tissue bioaccumulation tests can be visualized across harbors, years, and dredged material management units. Ultimately, the Devoid tool is made freely available to Army Corps personnel and other interested stakeholders to more efficiently and effectively visualize data trends in dredging evaluations over time. Also note that Devoid is intended to be used with its sister tool, Demand.